So I'm going to make a quick video to help anyone out there if you're having a leak with your cooling system, your antifreeze. So I was noticing that every time I drove the car, my coolant reservoir would go down a little bit. So that indicates that there's a leak somewhere, but I wasn't sure where the leak is. And so there's a product that I bought several years ago and I've used multiple times. It is a pressure tester kit. You can get these on eBay. They're about maybe $80 or so. It comes with a bunch of adapters. Take the radiator cap off. You put one of the adapters on here that fits the radiator cap. And then it has a pump which allows you to put pressure on the system. And that will basically, you put 15 pounds of pressure, at least for this car. And that will help you to see where it's leaking, because it's going to basically put enough pressure on the system to force any coolant out of a leak. So you would check all the hoses, where all the hoses go, and that's the first thing to really check to see if it's a hose that's leaking. Either the hose has a leak in it or it's just loose and the connection is loose. And in this case, it's actually leaking right here. There's a little puddle. So when I pump this up, there's a little leak that comes from here. So what I'm going to try to do is tighten up this clamp and see if that resolves it. If it doesn't, then I'm probably going to have to drain the radiator and replace this upper radiator hose with one, and hopefully that fixes it. Took this to a mechanic shop. They'd probably charge you at least $90 to, for the labor to figure out what was wrong. And I've already used this multiple times, so it's already paid for itself. So go on eBay and find one of these. So hopefully that was helpful if you're dealing with a coolant leak in your engine. Thanks for watching.